Hello, my friends. Today, let's talk about something truly transformative, the power of focus and how it shapes the reality you experience. Life has a way of reflecting back to you exactly what you dwell upon, consciously or unconsciously. This principle is straightforward yet profound. What you give your attention to, you attract into your life. It's not about wishful thinking, it's about understanding the laws of consciousness and aligning with them. Think about it. Have you ever noticed how when you're fixated on a problem, it seems to grow larger? It's not that the problem is gaining power, rather, your focus is feeding it energy, magnifying it in your awareness. Now, imagine if you shifted that same energy towards solutions, opportunities, or even peace. You'd see a very different result. This is the crux of the principle: what you focus on expands, and what you persist in imagining, you experience. Your inner world is the blueprint of your outer life. Every thought, belief, and emotion you consistently entertain creates a ripple effect, shaping the circumstances you encounter. If your dominant thoughts are rooted in lack, fear, or doubt, you're likely to attract more of those experiences. On the other hand, focusing on abundance, joy, and confidence shifts the energy around you, opening the door to new possibilities. Let's explore why focus is so powerful. Your mind operates like a magnet. Every thought you hold sends out a signal, and the universe responds in kind, bringing back to you situations, people, and outcomes that match the frequency of your thoughts. This is not magic, it's the natural order of things. Energy flows where your attention goes. If you direct your focus toward what you desire with faith and persistence, you are literally setting the wheels in motion to bring it into reality. It's important to remember that focus is not just about thinking positive thoughts. It's about embodying the feeling of having what you desire. Suppose you're aiming for financial freedom. Don't just think about money, feel the freedom, security, and ease it would bring. Imagine what it would be like to live that reality now. This feeling aligns your inner state with the external reality you want to create. It's the feeling that draws the experience to you, not merely the thought. Consider the power of gratitude. Gratitude shifts your focus from what you lack to what you already have, creating a vibration of abundance. When you're grateful, you affirm that you are already blessed, and this opens the floodgates for more blessings to flow into your life. Gratitude is a simple yet profound way to train your focus and elevate your energy. Now, let me share something critical: you must guard your focus with intention. The world is filled with distractions, and it's easy to let your attention scatter. Every time you allow worry, negativity, or doubt to dominate your mind, you're handing over your creative power. But when you consciously choose where to place your focus, you reclaim that power. A practical way to strengthen your focus is to cultivate stillness. Take time each day to quiet your mind and center your thoughts. This doesn't have to be complicated. Even a few minutes of deep breathing, visualization, or meditation can help you anchor your attention and align with what truly matters. This practice not only calms your mind but also sharpens your ability to focus on what you want to attract. Remember, your imagination is your greatest tool. It is the workshop of your mind, where the blueprint of your reality is designed. Dare to imagine the life you want with vivid clarity. See yourself living it, feel the joy of it, and let that vision take root in your consciousness. The clearer and more consistent your imagination, the more powerfully you attract the corresponding experiences. Doubt is one of the greatest obstacles to focus. When you entertain doubt, you dilute the energy you're putting toward your desires. It's like trying to drive a car with the brakes on, you won't get far. To overcome doubt, remind yourself that the power to create lies within you. The same energy that holds the stars in place courses through you. Trust that your focus, coupled with faith, will manifest the life you envision. Now, you might wonder: what if my focus wavers? That's perfectly normal. The key is to gently bring your attention back to what you want, over and over again, without frustration. Think of focus as a muscle. The more you train it, the stronger it becomes. Consistency is more important than perfection. Even small, deliberate shifts in focus can yield profound changes over time. One area where people often struggle is releasing their focus from what they don't want. This can be tricky because problems demand attention. But understand this, you cannot solve a problem by focusing on it with worry or fear. Instead, redirect your energy toward the outcome you desire. Ask yourself, what would this situation look like resolved? Focus on that image, and let it guide your thoughts and actions. Your words also play a powerful role in shaping your focus. The language you use reinforces your beliefs and directs your attention. Be mindful of your self-talk. Speak to yourself in a way that reflects the reality you wish to create. Replace phrases like, "I can't," with, "I am capable." Shift from, "I lack," to, "I am abundant." These subtle changes in language can have a profound impact on your focus and, consequently, your reality. Another crucial aspect of focus is the role of persistence and alignment in daily actions. While your inner world drives your outer experience, the way you carry yourself in the physical realm matters too. Are your daily habits reinforcing what you desire, or are they pulling you away from your vision? For instance, if you wish to attract success in your career, your focus must extend to your actions, whether it's honing your skills, networking, or maintaining a mindset of growth. It's not just about visualizing success, it's about showing up for it. You also need to create an environment that supports your focus. This means surrounding yourself with positivity, be it people, activities, or spaces. The energy around you influences your mental state, which in turn impacts your focus. Choose to spend your time with those who uplift and inspire you, engage in activities that align with your goals, and create a space that fuels your motivation. This doesn't mean eliminating everything challenging or uncomfortable, but ensuring the core of your surroundings aligns with the life you aim to create. Learning how to let go of what doesn't serve you is equally important. Sometimes, focus can falter because we're holding on to past regrets or failures. But dwelling on those only clouds your vision. Instead, consider those experiences as stepping stones, each offering a valuable lesson. Acknowledge them and move forward with greater clarity. The past is only as powerful as the attention you give it. Silence also plays a vital role in refining your focus. The world is noisy, both literally and figuratively. To maintain clarity, you must intentionally step away from that noise. Silence helps clear the mental clutter, making room for what truly matters. Whether through meditation, mindful reflection, or simply spending time in nature, creating moments of stillness sharpens your ability to focus on what you truly desire. Faith is the silent force behind focus. It's the belief that, even if the evidence hasn't shown up yet, the reality you've envisioned is on its way. Faith acts as the glue that holds your focus steady. When doubts creep in, lean into that quiet confidence that the universe is aligning itself to meet your focus. Faith doesn't just sustain your focus, it amplifies it, sending a powerful signal to the world about what you're ready to receive. So, as we bring this conversation to a close, let's distill everything into one simple truth: focus is the key to creating the life you want. It's a tool, a gift, and a responsibility. Your attention is the most valuable currency you have, and how you spend it determines the experiences you attract. Think of it as planting seeds. Whatever you water with your focus will grow. Are you nurturing the seeds of success, love, and abundance? Or are you unintentionally feeding weeds of doubt, fear, and limitation? To make this shift, start small. Choose one area of your life where you can deliberately direct your attention. Keep it consistent, and be patient. Results may not show overnight, but rest assured, the universe is always responding. Stay true to your focus, keep the faith strong, and let your actions align with what you're working toward. Over time, the results will not only meet but exceed your expectations. If this message resonated with you and brought clarity to how focus can shape your life, let me encourage you to take a moment to like this video. Your support helps this content reach others who might benefit from it as well. If you're inspired by these ideas, subscribing to the channel ensures you won't miss future discussions that can guide you further. Perhaps you know someone who's struggling to find direction or purpose. Share this video with them, it could be the shift they need. Your engagement makes a difference, not just to this channel but to the lives of others searching for guidance. By subscribing, you become part of a larger effort to spread wisdom and positivity. Every like, comment, and share contributes to building something meaningful, not just for you but for everyone seeking answers. Lastly, let this channel be your constant reminder of the immense power within you. Click that subscribe button and stay connected to a space that empowers you to live your best life. Together, we can focus on what truly matters and create a reality that reflects our deepest desires.